We're going to review the top 5 best dip powder nail kits, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Modelones Dip Powder Set. Thanks to the super lightweight formula, this dip powder set won't weigh down your nails like many options do. It feels just like regular polish when applied, except the staying power and finish are 10 times better. The formula is also a cinch to remove. Simply soak each nail with an acetone-saturated cotton ball and use a cuticle tool to gently pop it off. No scrubbing or scraping required. Number 2. Kiss False Nail Salon Dip. If you're a total newbie to dip manicures, this at-home set is an excellent choice. It comes with just 3 easy-to-follow steps: a brush and gel, dip powder, and activator. Hands down, this is the best at-home nail kit out there. If you're on the fence about this kit, just buy it, you won't be disappointed. I do a sink full of dishes every day, and not one nail product has ever stayed on my nails longer than 24 hours, but the Kiss Salon Dip does. Number 3. Color Club Serendipity Starter Kit. This is probably one of the most in-depth starter kits out there. In addition to 2 different dip colors, it also comes with an activator, a bonding gloss, a brush cleaner, and a nail buffer. We should probably mention the most important part: the colors in this kit change with temperature. The Color Club Summer Sunset Serendipity Starter Kit for Nail Dip Powder contains a 0.25 fluid ounces mini treatment system, bonding gloss, activator, brush cleaner, 1.4 ounces color dip powder of each of Festival Fun, Traffic Flower Child, and a nail buffer. Number 4. Nail Dipping Powder Starter Kit. A new, better way for DIY nails. Our dip powder nail kit is easy to use and lasts longer than traditional gel polish. Get that stylish, professional salon look without the high price tag. Your nail dipping powder kit includes nail prep, gel dip top, and gel activator, as well as crystal gel powder base, red, creamy rose, silver glitter, and pink white powders. You also get a dust bush, a nail file, and a buffer to create the perfect finish. Number 5. Dip Powder Nail Kit. The powder can completely dry within 30 seconds after dipping. It saves your 25% operation time and greatly reduces the possibility of mistakes. This advantage makes DIY simpler and easier. No formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP. No UV LED light.